سنجال. لا سنجال عشان لسه انت مو صابح.
لا انا بتكلم على الخط نفسه يا باشمهندس، ده خط اكبر.
كثير تكفي دون كلاين.
No, it's not insignificant.
هو بلان اصب تبع
Somewhere
36 inch.
36 inch.
Yeah.
Maybe that 3 is one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This
شيء
is
عبد الرحمن بعد بس الهايلايت ده
okay. 36 inch.
كنت شيء
مش لا دي
Single shade on wall.
طب التاج باين اصلا
كان موجود في الكي كيو بتهيألي.
And this operating pressure is higher than our pressure, our design pressure.
the operating pressure is not higher,
Not above,
but the opposite pressure is yes higher than our design pressure.
is higher than our design pressure.
Okay, now you got the number? Tag number?
he will just give you the tag.
So can someone please tell me the tag number?
Get not clear.
So I will share my screen. Here PDSH will send the high pressure in the pipe trunk line and will what is the action? It will close or it will trip? It will trip what?
The existing steel.
Existing?
SDV.
It will close, no? It will close.
Yes.
Existing? SDV number? What is SDV number?
If we input XXX, will come to tag number. XXX on the ASAB trunk line.
On the Asava.
36 inch ASAB trunk line.
And this PDSH is where?
Existing as well, but the tags are there. Yeah, the tag.
Where?
ABC. You can put ABC at 3 tags.
But it's there. We have the tags for the PSH.
A, B, C.
XXX ABC.
That's right.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, where the location?
On ASAB trunk line.
موجود في الكي كيو يا باشمهندس. ثواني جاي اتاك الكي كيو 7 minutes.
So if this does not, the potential error pressure, right? Now?
Yeah.
Potential error pressure. Getting to fire and exposure. And is the fatality.
I think we have tag numbers. We have for that if you are looking for and PT also. It is PT, you know.
Guys, I mean, excuse me, you were saying that this was discussed in Hejo. Was there anything related to this in Hejo?
Can you see that?
I have the Hejo here, BAB CDS.
You can check what's high pressure.
This one design